What's the impact on your short or long-term disability case if you anticipate returning to work in a possible layoff? Now, I know that collecting short and long-term disability benefits can be tough, and you may be thinking about a return to work. If that happens, you need to consider a number of factors. In an earlier video, I talked about the elimination period and a return to work. But one of my concerns that I want to address in this video is if you go back to work and you get a sense that you might be terminated or you might be laid off, you need to consider the impact of that before you go back to work. Why? Well, you may not meet the elimination period to be entitled to collect short or long-term disability benefits, even though you're valiantly trying to go back to work. You may be working while disabled, but you don't have a requisite loss of income to qualify for short or long-term disability benefits if you get laid off or terminated. And the other thing that you might do is be tempted to reduce your hours to 30 or below. Now, again, it depends on the terms of your policy or plan. Some say that if you reduce your hours to 30 or below, you no longer become eligible for your short or long-term disability benefits, regardless of how disabled you might be. That certainly can be problematic. And the other thing that you might want to consider is if you are considering a return to work and you may think you're going to get laid off or terminated, you may think, well, the grass is greener on the other side. I'm going to get a job with a new company, I'll get on their disability policy, and then I'll file for disability benefits. The problem with that is many disability policies or plans have pre-existing condition clauses. So that new disability policy or plan may say, no, if you got treatment in this look-back period of time for this disabling condition that you're claiming is disabling you now, the new disability carrier will say, heck no, we don't owe you any benefits. So those are 4 things for you to consider about a return to work or a possible layoff or possible termination. If you have any questions about your rights to ERISA disability benefits, call me at 727-894-3188. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who your carrier might be.